Let's see if he picks up.
Hello?
Hi. Just chilling.
Chilling
Editing,
here.
A video.
Yeah, chilling
And
here
you?
too. Yeah, I'm making a video too. Anyways, well, I got some news for you. You could check out Dionne Lightwood at myextra.com to download this ringtone that's on my phone so you can put it on your phone for her fans and all too. You know what I mean?
Ooh, sounds exciting. I think I heard of her before. How would I get the link to download the ringtone?
It would be down on the description bar so you can hear something new yourself.
Alright, cool, excellent. So I'll definitely go check out the link and I'll download the ringtone and...
I like it. And because right now she actually makes some pretty cool, awesome songs herself. So yeah, I definitely want to go check it out.
Yeah, you could also check her out on Reverb Nation, on Facebook. Do you have any places where you want to check her out as well?
Yeah.
I actually have a Facebook myself, so I'll definitely go check that out. And I never heard of Reverb Nation before, but
it will be down in the description as well. So, you know, it's a good music place to go check out. And you could check out Dionne Lightwood on YouTube as well.
Excellent. So I'll do that as soon as possible, and I'll check her songs too as well. And cool. I'll definitely give that a try.
All right. Well,
All right, you too.
all right. Bye.